Okay, hey guys, welcome to another video. I recently moved to Netherlands and I want to show you around. I found some cool beaches that I want to photograph, so I'll take you with me today. And I hope it will be at least interesting because I haven't been there, I just seen it on the internet. But let's figure it out together. So join me on this adventure. So this is my bicycle. Yeah, I bought it, no, I rented it for like 20 euros for a month. It's a really bad bike. I'm exhausted, but it should be like in a half an hour journey to town of Zaandvort. I also took my Canon EOS R with 28mm as always, so I have a really big expectations. So let's go. I just hope, yeah, that my bike will make it up the hill, but why wouldn't it? This is a great bicycle for a great price. I think I'll just leave it right here. Let's go up this hill. Yo. I wonder if somebody would want my bike, but I hope not, because I will not be able to come back. Alright, seen the sea, but I'm scared of my bike if it gets stolen or not. If someone stole it, I wouldn't be able to come back. So I think I'll find some other place. Whew. But this hill was crazy. Oh! Okay, let's hope I won't fall. Alright, I'm at the beach, so let's try to photograph something. I'll put on my camera and see what can I do, but I don't think it will be something crazy. I think I'll have to come back at sunset. Yeah, would be nicer. Or even if I had a longer lens, because there are so many birds down there. Oh, that would be crazy. So I'll put this camera somewhere on the ground and yeah, okay, so I've got my camera. This, okay. I'm really scared for my bike that it will get stolen. But here in Netherlands, so everyone just leaves their bike anywhere, everywhere, and they're just fine. But I'm scared from, like, in my country, you cannot just leave your bike, it will get stolen. So, and also I'm kind of new in this country, so I also have some respect. I don't know what to expect. And also, feel free to tell me where to go in Netherlands, because I think I'll have one more free week and I don't know where to go because I already seen all of Amsterdam and the outskirts. So tell me, yeah, some interesting things to do. I don't really know if I can go off the trail, but I hope I do. I hope it's allowed. Oh yeah, this tree looks good. $35. Okay, so I left the bike at home. It would be better without a bike. It was just stopping me down, of course. And I also changed the lens. I brought the 17 to 40 f4, and I hope to photograph some landscapes and some beautiful scenery. Yeah, also some beaches maybe. And I hope that this weather will stay as long as it can, because I don't know, I hope it won't rain, because it's kind of a long trail ahead of me. But it should not. It's already cloudy. Yes, and also windy. What about this one? I love 70 millimeters. I don't know why I don't use it more. Yeah, I know, because I bought a Prime 28. That's why. Yeah. Love this lens. What a shame it's just for the EF mount, not RF. But one day, one day. And I don't know if I already told you that I like to shoot in black and white. No. The sun just came behind the clouds. So, as I was saying, I like to shoot in black and white, and then maybe in post-processing change it back to color. I just love to compose with the shapes. It's more fun. I don't know if you do it as well, but Feel free to write it down in the comments if you do. Let's go with 24 millimeters. I like to set one focal range and try to shoot with it, not just to shoot like without looking at it. It's better, I think. Yeah, so I'm trying to find a lonely tree on some hill, but I don't think it will be possible here. I like the tree, not the composition. Basic stuff. Let's look at these trees. Some beautiful shapes. But it looks overexposed as hell. I think it is overexposed. It was underexposed by a stop. Yeah. Oh my god. If I only had a long lens, I could have photographed those deers there. Oh my god. I wasn't even able to do this in my own country. This is crazy. Yeah, this is crazy. These are really huge opportunities to shoot wildlife. Yeah. Maybe next time. So I found these trees and they look really interesting to me. So let's do some pictures. Yeah, what about this? Okay. This could work. Sure. But let's figure out the composition. Yeah, maybe with some wind. Okay. I don't really have that slow shutter speed because it's not really dark. I could return at sunset, but it's currently midday because I did not want to wait till the sunset. But I think I should. I hope when I'll come back from the beach, it will be sunset time. That could be nice. This looks magical. Ooh. Okay. Hope you can see it. Which is somewhat down. Okay, so yeah, this thing here, this pond. How do you actually make it pretty? I don't know. Maybe something. This is so underexposed. Maybe not. And I don't even like it. If it could shine a bit. Yeah, please. A bit of summer lights, please. What about this wasteland? Maybe something from the top. I believe there was a tree somewhere behind it or something. Ooh. All right. This tree looks good. Yeah. This could be something. Sure. I'm either overexposing or underexposing. This weather is madness. Let's go 35 millimeters. I've got a really hard time with exposure. The ground is so dark opposed to the sky that it's such easy to underexpose. Let's try to compose with these dead bushes. Yeah, again, underexposed. Let's try something here. Get closer to these bushes, sure, why not? That's pretty. This is crazy. It's like, I don't know, the wind has like power of 60 kilometers per hour. I don't know what's the saying on that. It's really strong. But look at those waves. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's go lower. hope you enjoyed today's episode. I don't know if you can hear me, but I hope you enjoyed, and see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.